Yes, students. Now we'll continue with exercise 6.1. Now that day, if you remember, we started when I said the middle term is plus and the last term is plus. My factors are plus and plus. When my middle term is minus and my last term is plus, my factors are minus minus. Today we will do both these, type 3 and type 4, right? Now, I told you that day, when the last term is minus, I have to subtract to get the middle term. Subtract to get the middle term. Now you please understand, when I subtract to get the middle term, my big number, the big factor, okay, gets the positive sign, the middle sign. And the small number gets the minus sign. The small number gets the minus sign. Now here, the big number gets the minus sign and the small number gets the plus sign. The big number gets the minus sign, the middle sign, and the small number gets the plus sign. Okay. So did you understand this? Now you just see the first sum. X square plus 3x minus 70. X square plus 3x minus 70. Now I have to split minus 70 because here there's 1. Okay, I keep on repeating, there's 1. So when you multiply it, it remains the same, right? When I split minus 70, I have to get 3 and I have to subtract to get 3. Okay, now how will I subtract and get 3? Now you tell me, tables of 71 and 70 of no use, 2 and 35 again of no use. When I minus it, am I getting 3? No, right? 3 doesn't go. Now the next table that goes is 7 and 10, right? When I minus 10 and 7, do I get 3 plus 3? Yes, I get plus 3. Now let's take the signs. Let's take the signs. Okay, I showed you this. I told you, when the middle number is plus, okay, when the middle number is plus, the big number gets the plus sign and the smaller number gets the minus sign. Is this clear? My big number gets the plus sign and my smaller number gets the minus sign. So you get, we can write the factors like this: x square plus 10x minus 7x minus 70. Okay, I'll rub these factors out. I've done it once. Now, these two together, these two together. Remove x common, you are left with x plus 10. Now, I have to remove minus 7 common. I told you that negative sign, when it's there, remove it. Now, whenever I remove minus, both the signs in the bracket become ulta. This is minus, it becomes plus. This is minus, it will become plus, x plus 10. So, my factors are x plus 10 and x minus 7. Is that clear? X plus 10 and x minus 7. Now see my second question of the same type. I will do one more sum, right? This is x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x minus 48. Now what do I have to split? I have to split minus 48. Okay, if you see this, okay, now what will happen out here? I will split 48. Okay, what will I get? I will get 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. You can start from 2. You want to start from 2? You can start 1 and 48. I need 2. I must subtract to get 2. Then 2 and 24. Okay. Then 3 and 16. When I subtract, am I getting 2? No. 4 and 12. No. 6 and 8. Am I getting 2? Yes. So now you look at the signs. I told you. Middle plus. Okay, I'll show you this table once again if you want to see it. Middle plus, last minus, big number plus, small number minus. Big number plus, small number minus. Big number plus and small number minus. So this becomes x square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48. Okay. minus 48. Right? Now, what can I remove common? I can remove x common. What is left behind? X plus 8. I will remove minus 6 common. This will become x. This is minus. It will become plus. So, it will become x plus 8. So, what are my factors? My factors are x plus 8 and x minus 6. X plus 8 and x minus 6. Right? Now, I will take the next type. Okay, the next type. Okay, I am doing 2 sums of this type. Okay, maybe I'll do one more later of the other one. Okay. Now, you see this. The third sum which I am going to do is p square minus 2p minus 35 minus 2p minus 35. Okay. Now, I have minus 35. I want to split minus 35 in order to get minus 2. Right. So, come on. Now, this you all should tell me automatically. 7 and 5 minus, I am getting minus 2. Now, tell me about the signs. Okay. The big number has the middle sign now, the minus sign, and the small number has the opposite sign. Okay. So, the big number will get the minus sign and the small number will get the plus sign. So, p square minus 7p plus 5p minus 35, correct? Now, I can take these two together, remove common. Can I remove p common? What is left behind? P minus 7 plus 5 out common. What is left behind? P minus 7. So, what are my factors? My factors are p minus 7 and p plus 5. These are my factors, p minus 7 and p plus 5. Now, see the fourth sum. Okay. Now, I will take m square minus 7p minus 44. So, this is minus 44. Okay. 11 fours are. Because when I minus 11 and 4, am I getting minus 7? Yes, I am getting minus 7. Let's see it carefully. Minus 44. Can I write 11? Okay. Fours are. When I minus 11 and 4, am I getting 7? Yes. Now, what about the signs? Minus sign. Middle has minus. So, big number minus and small number opposite. So, that becomes m square minus 11m. Sorry, we'll write m only out here, right? Plus 4m minus 44. Now, these two together. Can I remove m common? M minus 11 plus 4 common, m minus 11. So, what are my factors? My factors are m plus 4 and m minus 11. M plus 4 and m minus 11. Okay. Now, I feel you just look at this once again. Look at this table. Right? Write this down. When there's plus and minus, big number gets plus, small number gets minus. Okay. And so on and so forth. Okay. Now, I'll do one last sum, question number 5. One last sum, that is your y square. I will take with a minus sign in the middle because generally you tend to make a mistake with the minus sign. Okay. Then I will give you at the end minus 72 and in the middle it is simply y. That's why I wanted to do one sum of this type. Okay. Now see here, what is there in front of y? What is the number? 1. So I must split minus 72 in order to get minus 1. Correct? So let's take the tables 1 and 72. Minus, am I getting 1? No. 2 and 36. 3 and 24. 4 and 8 are. Okay. 6 and 12. Right? Not yet. We have not yet got the table. Let's see the last one. 8 and 9. Subtract 8 and 9. Will you get minus 1? Yes. Now look at the sign. Minus, so big number minus, small number plus. Y square minus 9y plus 8y minus 72. Remove y common. Y minus 9 plus 8 common. Y minus 9. So my factors are y minus 9 and y plus 8. Okay, we have covered most of the exercise questions also, right? Correct. So now see this once again. I repeat this. Look through this very carefully.